You have heard about Notion. You have probably even used it, but now there's a new player in town, Xtiles. People are saying it's more intuitive, more visual, and finally a true nation competitor. But is it really better? Or just another shiny tool that will waste your time? In this quick tutorial, I'll break down Notion versus Xstyle. I've been building productivity systems for over couple of years and I'll show you what each tool does the best, where they fall short, and who should use which one, and what I would use if I had to start from scratch today. So let's start with user experience. Notion gives you a clean, minimalist canvas, but let's be real, it's not very beginner friendly. The learning curve is steep if you want to build dashboards or databases. On the other hand, Xtiles feels like someone finally merged Notion and Miro. It's visual first. You drag tiles, we just drag and drop tiles. Also, just create to plus to create a new one like digital sticky notes, which makes it super intuitive for brainstorming, mind mapping, and early stage thinking. So, if you're a visual thinker, or you hate blank page anxiety, Excel wins here. But if you like precision and control, Notion still has the edge. Now let's talk about power and flexibility. This is where Notion shines. You can build full CRMs, second brain, even websites with relation roll-ups, formulas. It's basically a database with a pretty face. And Excel is not trying to do that. It doesn't have any formulas, complex databases, or relations. It focuses on lightweight knowledge management. Note tiles, boards. Great for visual planners, not so great for automation nerds. So, if your workflow needs system structure and scalability, obviously Notion wins. But if your workflow is creative, loose, and idea first, obviously Xstyle wins on this part. And here's the big one, the collaboration and team use. Both platforms offer team features, comments, mentions, but Notion again better integrated for larger teams, especially if you're building wikis, SOPs, or project management tools. Extras, however, feels a pretty much lighter, simple lot. And just like that, you can create notes. Ideal for creative teams that brainstorm often. Think product design teams, marketing agencies, startup founders in early stages. So, in this one, Notion is for execution and scaling. Xtiles is for ideation and planning. Use both if possible, but only if your work so demands it. Last but not least, the speed and mobile sync. Speed, mobile experience, and sync. Notion's mobile app is notoriously clunky, to be honest. It's improved a lot, but editing anything complex on the phone is still painful. Xstyle, on the other hand, is surprisingly snappy on both desktop and mobile. It's lighter, loads faster, and drag and drop, obviously. Feels natural even on small screens. And if you need a mobile first workflow, Xstyle is winning right now. But for desktop power use, Notion is just a beast. So, which one should you use? Here's what it comes down to. Use Notion if you're building structured systems, dashboards, project trackers, client portals. It's unbeatable once you master it. And obviously, the learning curve, you'll have to think about that. On the other hand, use Xtiles if you think in clusters, you want a whiteboard style canvas, or your early stage planning, a project or course, or even a startup. Or here's what I actually do, I brainstorm in Xtiles and then execute them in Notion. That combo keeps me fast, creative, and organized. As simple as that. Both tools are amazing, but they're built for different brains. Don't pick the trend, pick the tool that matches how you think. That's the secret. And yeah, if this video helped, hit like. It tells the algorithm this is worth watching. And if you want my personal productivity stack, I break it down for you Remember, it's not about the tool, it's about what you do with it. Keep building. I'll see you in the next one.